Another simple type of quote in IQ is called a quick quote delivery. The intent here is to do a minimum trip charge for small delivery items. To do this, let's choose New, search for our customer, and choose the quick quote delivery template. In this example, we'll deliver 2 chairs. Again, you can skip over the Services, Options, and Lines tab because all the pricing in this example is preset. However, let's choose our address and the floor on which we'll be making the delivery and make sure that our participants are properly set. Once done, we'll go to the Pricing tab and we'll do 2 things here. The first is choose the zone, which is how far we're driving from the warehouse, and then finally, how many men are going to be involved. In this case, we'll say that we're going farther out to zone 2, but it's a single person delivery, so we're using one of these, and we're delivering 2 chairs. Because we're not doing any of the other services, we'll simply choose delete zeros. The system will trim out all the unused lines and apply the pricing accordingly. In this case, we have an hour-and-a-half round trip and 40 minutes on site to actually do the chair delivery. According to the preset pricing, that's $97.50 for this installer. Go to the overview, choose the one you want to present, go to distribution, choose the people to whom you'll be sending the estimate. Type your email, change your status, and choose Save and Send. This will present the quote to the customer and the salesperson. Click Save and Close. Your order will be stored until approval.